Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you the most basic things you need to know about your piano. Now that you know the notes, let's look at the next very important lesson. In music we speak of whole step and half step. So what is a whole step? In order to play a whole step, you need to skip one key. So you play C and then you play D. This is called a whole step or a tone. And then if you want to play a half step, you just play the next key, C and C sharp. So half step is playing the key that's right next to the key you just played. That's considered a half step. Now you can play it harmonic, which means playing them at the same time, or you can play it melodic, play them one after the other. So what is a whole step? A whole step is an interval that spans two half steps.